MI-4881. Installation. Step 1. Firmly hold the two halves of the spring arm together and have another person cut off the cable tie from around the spring arm. Slowly release the pressure on the spring arm and allow it to gradually stretch to its full extension. Step 2. For clamp base installation, attach the larger L bracket to the base of the mount using the provided screws and hex wrench. Once it's snug, peel and stick the protective pad to the L bracket. Then, back the tension screws out of the smaller bracket and attach the tension plate so that it is flush with the bottom of the bracket. Attach the 4 screws to the back of the bracket and then choose which set of holes you will use on the larger L bracket according to your desktop thickness. Tighten the 4 screws. Slide the mount onto your desktop and then tighten the adjustment screws on the bottom until the base is snug. For grommet base installation, attach the plate to the base of the mount using the provided screws and the hex wrench. Then, peel and stick the padding to the plate. Remove the adjustment screws from the smaller L bracket and then place it in the center hole of the tension plate. Now, either using an existing hole or drilling a 3/8 hole into the desired location on your desk, center the mount base over the hole and tighten the adjustment screw until the base is snug. Step 3. Slide the Visa bracket into the gas spring arm as well as the washer hex side up. Slide the screw through the bottom of the hole and then securely tighten. With a Phillips head screwdriver, attach the Visa plate to the back of your monitor with the 4 provided screws and washers. Slide the Visa base onto the bracket, then secure with the safety screw. To properly balance the gas spring arm with the monitor mounted, adjust the spring tension using the supplied hex key as follows. If the arm drops, turn the adjustment screw counterclockwise until it stays in a horizontal position. If the arm rises, turn the adjustment screw clockwise until it stays in a horizontal position. Step 5. Run the cables along the bottom of the gas spring arm and attach the cable management covers. Attach the rear base cover and run the cables through it. Then, store the provided hex keys in the slots. Step 6. Plug the base in to a USB power source. Button functions of lighting. To turn the lights on or off, press and hold the button for 2 seconds. Quick press the button to switch to the next light mode. There's 20 modes in total. To set it to a random color mode, quick double press the button. The system will automatically store the previous light settings when the light is turned off.